In this lecture, we'll try to create a purchase order. Right now we are in warehouse management module, and this in this module, to demonstrate the working, we need to create a certain material, and that materials movement will be handled in this module. So right now I'm creating a purchase order. For creating this purchase order, either I have to execute this short code me21n, and if you are not able to remember or learn all this T code right now, this is the transaction movement. You have to move from logistic, then material management, then purchasing order, then create, and then you have to select this transaction. So I am selecting this transaction. Will be landed here, and in this window, in this create purchase order window, make sure this first drop down should be standard PO. If it is not a standard PO, just make sure you select this standard PO. Now in the vendor, we just and create a name of that vendor. So this for this exercise, we need to create a vendor name with the 103 and the last three digit of our PRN or attendance number by which you are logging into the system. So right now my number is 000. So I am writing 103. This is the first which is required to write as it is, and this 30 is for my PRN. You can also write whatever name you want to, or whatever name the vendor actually has. But right now, for the sake of simplicity and for checking the assignments, the standard procedure I am following to add the PRN number. Basically, here we have to write the vendor name. So after this, I'll just hit enter. And if everything goes in a right direction, the new vendor will be created. And this in this organization tab, I have to enter this entries. So first, my purchase organization is US00. My purchase group is N00, which is in North America, and my company code is US00, which is global wide. So this is the selection of for which organization and which group and which company code I am creating this purchase order. So I have to select those things. Now I'll be entering the material which I am going to purchase. So for that thing, we have to maximize this area. For this is a our shortcut. Just click this shortcut and the header will be collapsed, or you can use the shortcut key combination Control plus F5. So I'm just clicking that thing. So I'll be having a good space to write the things. Right now I am entering two material, knee pad and one more SSD I am adding here. So the material code, which is already mentioned in your exercise, which is a KPAT1 and last three digit, which is my login ID or my PRN. So my PRN last three digit is 30. You write your own. So you have to replace the last three digit. Just enter. Now enter the quantity, how much quantity we want. We want 50. Then select that delivery date, on which date you want to have the deliveries. Right now I am adding 8 days to current date. So after 8 date, I am expecting the delivery. The net price will be 50 USD. Now here the currency module we have to enter. This is by default USD. Now I have to enter this plant value. This plant is our SD 00 San Diego 00, but you can see that instead of that San Diego, we are having this Gen Enterprises. So because in our system, one of our student just change that value. So don't think about that thing. Whatever value is stored in the database against the SD00 will be replicated here. So now storage location, which is our TG00. Now TG00 means trading goods. I suppose all the entries has been done. These are the minimum entry which we have to do. Now here some warning is visible. We'll check this warning after the entering the second material into our purchase order PAD1. This is the any starting of that materials ID. Now I'll add my last three digits. Now this is elbow pads, second material is elbow pad. Now again the quantity which is required is 50. The date of delivery is after 8 days. So 15th of October is selected. And now net price is 50. 50. Uh, what else? We have to enter the plant and the store location. So again, plant is SD00 and store location is at TG00. After typing all this code, you have to press enter, so it will be accepted and the concern value or connected value will be available here. So basically this is the scene, and here we are having a certain warning. What does this warning is? So you can just click. Basically warnings are those things which could be ignored. So right now we can ignore that particular warning. Basically it shows that effective price is 50, material price is 37. It is showing that the actual material price will be 37, but effective final price which we are considering is 50. It's okay for right now. um, we are not doing anything, we are accepting all this whatever warning is visible. If error has been shown here, then we cannot move forward, so we have to correct that error. But right now this is a our warning, so I will be moving forward. So right now this two material has been added. So you can check all this entry against the your assignment, and if everything looks fine and good, you just hit the enter key or hit this save button. So right now I'm clicking the save button, and if there is no error, a new standard PO has been created. You can see this message in the left corner of our screen. This number 45 something 00 has been created. So our this initial purchase order has been created. This is a direct purchase order created for the sake execution of this exercise. Thank you.